While at Independence Square, you hear from a distance echoes from a local street performer setting the mood. I run into a wonderful Ukrainian artist. We chat in a local cafe with coffee and tiramisu. It was lovely. This place is pretty. So this is Kyiv Independence Square. I think that's what it's called. It starts with an M in their language. It's way bigger than I thought it was going to be. Very heavy. Like feeling like my heart hurts. That kind of heavy. My voice sounds close to crying. Not exactly. It's interesting. Wonder why this guy's here. Oh man. What interests me is what's on this hill. There goes my lightning again. Okay, you know what? I can't help it. The universe dragged me into this. I didn't do anything. I want to see this stuff. I'm crossing this road that's cut off apparently. It's interesting, isn't it? I wonder what made those US people come over and fight for this country. I mean, I want to, but I have other reasons. This is going to be a climb on wetness. I think I can do it. Climbing up these steep hills and wetness. Look at that though. Alright, gotta quit looking at stuff. I'm gonna climb this, I gotta focus. I'm already doing it wrong. I want to see the statue on this hill. I almost fell backwards. That would not be fun.
We're almost to the statue. I follow Eckhart Tolle, and he's like the way of the cross. I don't know, this is interesting. I want to see it. Oh man. It's a good question. Someone asked, would you fight for someone else's country? I've been asking this question to myself. That's interesting, isn't it? I wonder what it says. Look what enjoying rock music and spiritual lightning got me to. I want to go up here a little bit more. Look how pretty autumn is. I miss it. This is nice. So, everyone thinks I'm rich, but they don't know my story. And I'm not going to keep telling my story, but I don't think I told my story. It doesn't matter. I'm not rich. I should not be here. I forced a lot of things in my life down the drain to get here. Honestly. It's my choice. And all I own is what I brought here, which is like 4 shirts and a pair of pants. My stuff's being thrown away right now. I don't regret it. I'm gonna cross this bridge. My work wouldn't give me time off, so I disappeared on them. I need to go to this concert. I need to see this place. Look at this thing. Ugh, it's hard to hold the camera. It's a major big pigeon thing, I think. What is that? It's a really big bird. It's kind of pretty. I don't like it though. I don't know what it is. Oh, that's very pretty. I speak English, I'm sorry. They're doing something.
Just talking with these girls, they are like.
Yeah, that's why I stopped.
My background is not really nice, so. Like, yeah. Filming, so.
You're the first person that speaks English.
A little bit.
More than anyone else.
Where are you from?
Phoenix, USA.
What are you doing in Ukraine?
A rock concert, Okinelzi. I am in love with that group. His music touched me.
Oh.
And I had to come here because he's brave, I'm brave. And I want to help. So I'm tourism here.
Cool. It's really cool.
I want to do more, but I don't know what I can do.
I'm painting and like take some money for that and go for my for our soldiers. So I'm doing something like that.
Oh, that's beautiful. I would love to see your work.
You can see my work. I have some work that I was like, sorry, you filming?
See if I can get back home. I lost my umbrella. I just realized this. What did they do with that thing? I just met a very charming Ukrainian woman, 32 years old. I must say 23. Those flags mean donation to a country or something. Support the war. I wish I could go over there and see that closer. I'll have to come back. I'm gonna walk through this again. It's truly amazing how Okin LZ really makes a difference. Touches lives across the world, brings people together in this time of day. He's forever changed my life. It would be amazing to meet him. I doubt, but I will go to his concerts. I need to try to make it back to where I live because it was a miracle that I got here. I would like to see this again though. I want to look again. I'm retarded. I'm terrible at videography so far. I don't know, man. I think the whole thing's sad. Each one of these flags is a person. Oh my God. Can it just stop? I need to figure out how to get home. Figure it